Here we have a 20-plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the blue metallic paintwork. We also have the LED daytime running headlights, 2 gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. Right to the passenger side, you'll find we have the second alloy wheel, again unmarked. We also have the side skirt extensions along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the glass sunroof as well up top, which is currently open. We have the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler lip as well. There's a look at the third alloy wheel. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and a reversing camera as well with the park and reversing assistant. We also have the dual exit exhaust at the back, the rear diffuser. If you press this button just here on the remote, then the boot will open just like so. Now inside of here you'll find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We also have the charger as well as the storage net just there on the left. If you press this button as well, it will close just like so. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, in the back first you find we have the full leather interior. Just here we have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points as well. We also have the climate control down here for the rear passengers, a 12-volt connectivity and 2 Type-C USB ports. We have the ambient lighting just there on the doors. We also have the M Sport style seat belts as well. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric windows just there. We also have the blue stitching as well. Taking a look at the front, again at the full leather interior. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable, they're also both heated as well. The driver's side has the memory function just there on the door. Electric mirrors and also electric windows. We have the auto lights just there, again the ambient lighting, auto wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters either side. If you take a seat inside, you find we have the speed limiter and the cruise control just there. We also have the digital dashboard as well up top. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us. And you'll find you'll be free from any warning lights just there on the digital dashboard. We also have the heads-up display as well just there if the camera will pick it up. Now if we change it into the sport drive mode, you find it will change the little dials just there on the dashboard. We also have the hybrid drive mode, we have the electric drive mode and also adaptive just there as well. We have the sat-nav just here on the main infotainment screen. If the screen is flickering, then that's just the camera. It's not like that in reality, so nothing to worry about. We have the media as well for the radio. We also have the Spotify as well as the Bluetooth audio as well. We have the phone connectivity just there. A range of apps such as the M lap timer and all these other options as well. We have the Apple CarPlay and also the Android Auto just there. If we go onto the home, then you'll find if we click onto the car, go onto the settings, this is where you find we have the ambient lighting with a few colours to choose from just here. We also have the reversing camera, so if you stick it into reverse, you find the reversing camera and also the parking sensors. We also have the park assist and the reversing assistance as well just there. Put it back into park low. We also have the intelligent safety if we click on this button just here, making it a very safe car to drive. Climate control, we have heated seats either side, both working just as they should do. The ice-cold air conditioning. We also have the wireless phone charging just there, 2 good sized cup holders and also a 12-volt connectivity. We have all the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, the different drive mode buttons, electric handbrake. We have a nice leather armrest. Open that up for extra storage. We also have a Type-C USB port inside of there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.